Looks good. Here we go. 1972 at its finest, a CB175. I'm going to call this Rotisserie Restored, and you're going to see why. All the way down to bare metal, all new. I'm going to do a quick little walk around here first, and after that we're going to come in and we're going to scoot in a little bit closer and really give you a chance to see it up close. But I'll tell you what, everything's new. Rebuilt engine. It's been bored 75,000 over. Clutch disc, transmission, exhaust, brakes, anything that you can imagine on a bike that you'd ever want to rebuild has been rebuilt. So let's start up here. Flip the seat up and you can see just how beautiful everything is. All the right stickers for the helmet holder in place. And as I come around the very top of the bike here, obviously new paint. The odometer sitting at 8,611 it looks like on this bike. That of course was before the rebuild. This has just enough miles on it to really just shake it down and make sure everything's good. So it's brand new. If you had a time capsule bike from 1972, I believe that this one here is every bit as good as that bike. Probably better, given the quality of the finishes on it. I'm going to scoot around here and just give you a chance to look at everything up close. And then we're going to have a couple other videos coming up too, with the cold start, test drive, and as always we can answer any other questions you have or take extra pictures if there's something that we missed on it that you'd like to see more about. Coming around the front here, just a beautiful bike. You're going to win some car shows or bike shows with this one if you're the lucky new owner. Wow. It's extremely well done. Good luck trying to find another one like this. Coming up around the back. Just beautiful quality everywhere. All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. There's a couple more out there to watch. Could be you. Don't be afraid to bid on this one. It's a winner.